Hi students, today we are going to discuss a problem related with refraction of light. This is our question. In the given figure, a ray of light falls obliquely on a vertical glass slab and after refraction from the glass slab falls on a vertical plane mirror at an angle x. Find the value of x. Here is the figure. Here is the angle of incidence 30 and you have to find the value x. This is related with the refraction of light through a glass slab. This is a parallel sided glass slab and it's also called a rectangular glass slab. So now we can see this incident ray and the emergent ray. These both lines are parallel to each other. If you keep this ruler like this, you can see that one. Now I am completing this line. Suppose if this line goes without any refraction, then the direction will be like this. So in order to show that these lines are parallel, we can check that by extending those lines. So the emergent ray also I am doing just like a parallel ray. So these two lines are parallel. So this is the general outlook of this picture. So these lines are parallel. So you can just look at that refraction of light through a glass slab. We can see in the first plane, the incident ray make an angle I with respect to normal, and in the second plane you can see the emergent ray makes an angle E with the normal. Angle of incidence and angle of emergence are same. That is I is equal to E. So you know that alternate interior angles, this angle and this, that angles are same and these two lines are parallel. So angle I is also equal to final emergent ray, that is 30 degrees, and here these two angles are equal. So this is the basic of this problem, how to solve. I'm going to extend this line, this normal, towards the mirror. Now you can observe a right angle triangle there. Since the I is equal to E, that angle is equal to 30 degrees. This angle. This is equal to 30 degrees. The same as the incident angle, that's I. This time we got a right angle triangle. This is vertical, this mirror is vertical, 90 degrees, and one angle is 30, another angle is x. We want to find that angle x. According to angle sum property, you know that 30 plus x plus 90 is equal to 180, and that x is equal to 180 minus 30 plus 90 and 60. So 60 is the angle. Angle x is 60, and that's the final answer. I think this is clear for you. You can do it again and again. Now we can move to our next question. The ray of light incident at 50 degree on one of the two plane mirrors arranged at an angle of 60 degree between them. The ray then touches the second mirror, get reflected back to the first mirror, making an angle x. Find the value of x. Here 50 is the angle of incidence and the angle between the mirrors is 60 degrees, and then the ray touches the second mirror, and we want to find the angle x with the normal. This is the ray diagram for the above problem. Here AF is the first mirror and AC is the second mirror. This makes an angle 60 degree. 60 degree is the angle between the mirrors, and this is the incident ray which makes an angle 50 with the first mirror. This ray is reflected back to AF meeting at point D, and then again it is reflected back to AC meeting at C, which makes an angle X with the normal. This is 50. We know that angle of incidence is equal to 50, then angle of reflection is also 50. According to laws of reflection, this angle, this B, is 50 degrees. Now we can calculate angle DBA, this angle. That is 90 minus 50, that is equal to 40. They make the complementary angles. In the triangle ADB, we know two angles. One is 60 and another is 40. If we apply the angle sum property, you can find this angle ADB. That is 180 minus 40 plus 60. This angle ADB is 80 degrees. If you closely observe, you can find DE is the normal to the mirror AF, which make a small angle here. So this angle is 90 degree to AE, and we can find that angle by subtracting 80 with 90. So it's 90 minus 80 or 10 degrees. Here this normal makes two angles. According to laws of reflection, that small angles are equal. Both that angles are equal. That means 10 degrees. So angle of incidence is equal to 10 and angle of reflection is equal to 10 degrees. Dear students, I hope up to this stage everything is clear. Now you look at that triangle ADC. Here I am going to draw that triangle once more. In triangle ADC, A is 60 degrees. But we want to find DCA and ADC, because we know only the angle ADB as 80 degrees. Here AD and C. A is 60. We want to find two more angles, that is angle C and angle D. Angle D is 80 plus 10 plus 10. 80 plus 10 plus 10, that is 100 degrees. Clear? Then 60, 100 and C. We can use the angle sum property to find the angle C. Here the angle C is 20. Look at our right side drawing, the original one. The angle ACD is 20 degrees and this 20 degrees and x makes complementary angles, and angle x is equal to 90 minus 20, that is 70 degree. We came to the conclusion that angle x is equal to 70 degrees. I hope you enjoyed this session. This type of problems you can do it again and again, and all the best. Thank you.